Why is my zip code showing as invalid?
Hello there. Today we're going to discuss a common problem you may have encountered, your zip code showing as invalid. This issue can be a little frustrating, especially when you're trying to order something online or filling out an important form. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand why this might happen and how you can fix it.
What is a zip code and why is it important?
A zip code, also known as a postal code, is a numeric code used to identify specific geographic regions in a country. In the United States, these codes are 5 digits long and sometimes followed by a hyphen and 4 additional digits. They're essential for mail delivery, determining sales tax rates, and even verifying your identity or location in online transactions.
Why might a zip code show as invalid?
There could be several reasons why a zip code might show as invalid. Here are a few common ones. 1. Incorrect entry. You may have entered the zip code incorrectly. Sometimes we can accidentally type in the wrong numbers or miss a digit. 2. New or obsolete zip code. If you've recently moved, your new area's zip code might not be updated in all systems yet. On the other hand, old zip codes that are no longer in use may also show as invalid. 3. Mismatches in databases. The system you're using might have an outdated or incorrect zip code database. Different organizations update their databases at different frequencies, so mismatches can occur. 4. Non-standard zip codes. Certain institutions like universities or government entities use unique zip codes that may not be recognized by all systems.
How can I fix an invalid zip code error?
Now that we know why a zip code might show as invalid, let's discuss what you can do to fix it. 1. Double-check your entry. Make sure you've entered the zip code correctly. It's easy to make mistakes when typing, so always check your entry for accuracy. 2. Wait for updates. If you've recently moved to a new area, it's possible that various systems haven't updated their databases with your new zip code yet. Give it some time, and try again later. 3. Contact the relevant organization. If the problem persists, it may be a good idea to reach out to the organization or website you're having trouble with. They might need to update their database or could provide further assistance. It's normal to feel a bit frustrated when your zip code is showing as invalid, but remember, it's often easily fixed. Whether it's a simple typo, a new or old zip code, a database mismatch, or a unique code, you now have the knowledge to understand and deal with these issues effectively. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you smooth and error-free transactions in the future.